Financial literacy is defined as the possession of financial skills and knowledge that allow for informed and effective money-related decisions. Financial education is the process of acquiring these skills. To put it another way, being financially literate is being able to make sound financial decisions about debt, credit, saving, budgeting, spending, and investing to best fulfill your personal goals. To be financially literate at a personal level means understanding how to save and spend money properly, how to borrow, how and where to invest, and how to plan for retirement. Without this knowledge, it's nearly impossible for you to effectively manage your finances. Having no or little knowledge in the financial area has the potential to be disastrous. This can lead to predatory lending, high interest rates, subprime mortgages, and fraud. It is easy to fall prey to this, potentially leading to large debt and bankruptcy. To increase your financial knowledge and skills, you can watch videos like this video or read financial literacy books. We have added some links for you in the description. Nearly 2/3 of Americans in the United States fail a basic financial literacy test for the following reasons. Nearly 25% of Americans have no emergency savings. Credit card debt has hit an all-time high, whereby the total US consumer debt stands at $13.86 trillion. About 22% of Americans have less than $5,000 in savings for retirement. This means that a significant number of Americans don't have enough money to retire comfortably. Generally, being financially literate can mean the difference between financial success and bankruptcy. That's why it's important for you to increase your knowledge through educating yourself in financial matters. Please remember to like and subscribe if this information is of value to you. Here are 6 key concepts to get a handle on or to improve your financial literacy. 1. Budgeting 101. One of the most crucial aspects of basic financial literacy is budgeting. Creating a long-term budget holds you accountable for your money, avoids conflict over how money is spent, and keeps you out of debt. Consider your financial goals, net income, and spending as a starting point for budgeting so that you may create a baseline for mapping out. In general, having a budget in place can help you keep track of your incoming and outgoing funds and reduce your chances of overspending. 2. Basic understanding of interest rates. Interest rates for mortgages, credit cards, and other types of loan can work against you, but they can work for you too. So understanding how interest rates work will help you make smart decisions in regards to borrowing and investing. Interest rates influence the cost of borrowing, the return on savings, and may provide insight into future market activity. If you want to borrow money, you will want to go for the lowest interest possible. On the other hand, if you want to put your money in an interest-yielding account, you want the highest interest possible. Investing in personal financial education can help you gain a good understanding of how interest rates work and how you can use them to your advantage. 3. Managing debt. While not all debt is bad, it can cause financial stress and make it more difficult to achieve financial freedom. As a result, gaining control of your debt is vital if you want to avoid the terrible consequences of massive debt. To get out of debt, you make sure your monthly payments are greater than the amount you borrowed on your credit card and the interest rate you paid. Also, look for strategies to boost your revenue while lowering your spending. When paying off debts, keep in mind interest rates, long-term costs, and the advantages of the loans. If you're having problems managing your debt, you may want to consider investing in financial education to improve your financial knowledge. 4. Saving. Saving money is crucial because it has numerous demonstrated advantages. Savings not only allow you to make large purchases, but they also allow you to cover unforeseen expenses. The future is always unpredictable, and you never know when an unforeseen expense will arise. It might be a large medical cost, a sudden loss of income, an unexpected car repair, or a variety of other situations. Saving money can also help you avoid debt, alleviate financial stress, and give you a better sense of financial security. Saving money requires self-discipline and a degree of sacrifice. You can also improve your saving habits with the help of financial education programs. 5. Seeking financial help. One of the aspects of basic financial literacy is knowing when to seek financial help from experts or a loved one who understands financial management. Many people get into a serious financial mess simply because they either believe that they can tackle financial hardships on their own or don't realize there's a problem. You don't want to find yourself in a scenario where your debts have piled up to the point of bankruptcy. That's why when it comes to budgeting, debt management, taxes, credit, investing, and saving, it's critical to seek financial counsel. 6. Understanding your credit report. Your credit report is a collection of information about your credit history as reported to the credit reporting agency by your lenders. As your credit report is used to calculate your credit score, it has a significant impact on your financial future. You can qualify for lower loan rates and better insurance prices if you have a strong credit score. If you have a poor credit score or issues with your credit report, you may have difficulty obtaining low interest rates or finding a lender willing to lend you at all. When you understand your credit report, you'll be able to take the steps necessary to raise your credit score or correct any inaccuracies. The sooner you grasp these fundamental financial ideas, the better. From what you have learned about financial literacy so far, do you think it's a good idea for kids to start learning about this life-changing subject in school? Let us know in the comments. Financial education benefits that will get you far in life. Budgeting. Being financially literate will enable you to understand how to budget your money so that you're able to track your spending and avoid wasting money on things that you don't really need. Prioritizing savings. Savings are an essential aspect of maintaining a good financial situation. Learning how to save will help you make sound investments that would improve your financial situation in the future. Beginners need to increase their financial knowledge and start saving money to secure their financial future. Interest rates. Financial knowledge allows you to understand how interest rates for loans, savings, and credit cards work. Having an in-depth understanding of interest rates will save you money in the long run. Debt management. When you are financially literate, you'll manage your debt in a manner that does not spiral out of control. You'll know how to compare loan terms and how to avoid high interest rates and high credit utilization. If you already have debt, financial literacy will help you choose the best methods to get out of debt. Retirement planning. Saving for retirement is a long-term financial goal that requires you to have financial knowledge. When you're financially literate, you can calculate how much to save and devise strategies that will help you get there. Emergencies such as medical bills, loss of a job, and an unexpected car repair can put you in a financial crisis. Being financially literate saves you from the trouble of borrowing money during emergencies. It gives you confidence and keeps you at ease in the case of anything unexpected happening in your finances. Financial freedom. Personal financial education improves your chances of financial independence. You'll be able to achieve and maintain financial freedom by tracking your spending, managing your debts, and prioritizing saving, all of which are fundamental elements of financial literacy. Tax planning. Personal financial literacy improves awareness on how to save on taxes through tax planning. You'll understand tax deductions, tax credits, and strategies that will ensure tax efficiency. Moreover, basic financial knowledge will enable you to choose insurance plans that will protect you and your assets. Negotiation skills. Financial literacy gives you enhanced negotiation skills when purchasing big-ticket items like real estate transactions, business purchases. When you are financially literate, you will be able to get the best deals when making big purchases or selling something. How to get personal financial education. You can obtain personal financial education by watching videos, reading personal finance books, or taking courses. No matter your age, profession, or financial situation, you can teach yourself financial literacy and start making better money decisions